In this short video, we're going to see how to use AI socials to create and perpetually schedule entire social media campaigns with unique posts and addictive videos using just a keyword, plus how to run a social video agency business from scratch that lands clients automatically too using AI technology. AI Socials creates entire social media campaigns filled with unique viral posts, memes, quotes, addictive videos, and more in any niche by just entering a keyword, with the ability to include multiple variations of posts or tons of content on every major social network. And then to post all that content automatically with no scheduling needed at optimal times, driving perpetual traffic with revolutionary AI self-scheduling, something no other tool has. Plus, if you want to run a social media marketing agency, AI Socials helps get the clients for you in the first place with viral social media agency campaigns that target specific clients, like campaigns to land yoga clients that need social media help, and then manages the clients with built-in agency portal technology for you. All the social posts are fully customizable with done-for-you templates and drag-and-drop editing, and you can make any type of social video and customize it as well right in the cloud with no experience needed. You can sell social media content to clients monthly, so individual marketing materials on places like Upwork, Fiverr, and more, or create hundreds of unique posts and addictive videos to drive traffic to your own offers perpetually on autopilot. To get started, log into the cloud-based app and first add some clients to create social media content for, or create a posting profile for yourself. Enter their name, their email, and password to give them access if needed. Enter the amount you'll earn from them each week, and connect all their social accounts they'll be posting to. Then let's create some eye-popping content for them. AI Socials lets you create social videos, post content with templates or AI images, articles and text descriptions for social media like YouTube video descriptions, quotes, and memes, and more. Before creating the content, if you need some viral ideas about what to have the AI make for you, use the trend section to see what topics everyone is talking about. Search Reddit for viral posts and threads that are trending right now, or YouTube videos that are trending and popular, and Google News as well. Now this helps ensure some of your posts will get lots of shares and likes. Okay, so let's start creating some image and video content. To create post content, click this button and type in a keyword or description of what we want the post to be about. Choose how many post variations we want to create and what type of platform this will post to. AI Socials will make sure the post content is formatted correctly and native to the platform you'll be scheduling to for optimal results. Choose the country you want to target leads in and the language you want the AI to write the content in as well. Also choose if you want to create an AI image using Midjourney to really stand out on timelines, or if you want AI Socials to create one for you from scratch. Hit submit and AI Socials will create an image post for us, complete with the post text as well, optimized for the platform we're going to be posting on. You can choose from a huge range of done-for-you templates in many niches to replace the created image if you want, or import a social post you made inside of Canva directly into AI Socials to edit and post, as AI Socials comes with special Canva API access. Or you can simply edit the image any way you want with the social post drag and drop editor. Add images, elements, emojis, layers, and more. Remember, you can also choose to generate a high-quality, fantastic AI image using Midjourney, the best AI image engine, to really stand out on social timelines and make your clients super impressed too. Then save your post to be scheduled to social timelines. You can schedule the post once to you or your client's social media profile at any time, or add it to smart content streams to have the app perpetually post it for you at optimal times without having to log in and schedule it over and over. Content streams are essentially collections of a certain type of content. You can have a content stream of, say, viral quotes, another stream of articles, another stream of viral videos for each individual client. Choose what type of content stream it will be, give it a title as to not confuse it with others, and a description. Then specify when each type of stream will post to the client's social media. For example, quotes can post each Monday and Friday at 2 p.m. Memes will post at 3 p.m. A content stream of videos will post on Friday at 12 p.m. The app will then post whatever content you have uploaded to that particular stream at that time, and once it runs out of posts, it will start recycling the older posts at the best times, so you're always posting content continuously. Clients will have no idea it's a smart software and assume that you have an around-the-clock team logging in and out to schedule these posts. Plus, you can post by client and leverage built-in machine learning to learn what times posts are performing best for each client so that the AI knows when to schedule the post at maximum impact for you. How powerful is that? Now, on top of viral posts, AI Socials makes viral videos in any dimension for any platform from just a keyword as well. Go to Create Video and give your campaign a name, then enter a keyword to create the video around. Select what type of platform you'll be posting to, and AI Socials will create the video to go viral on that specific platform. Select the country to target if you want, and also the language for the AI video script. AI Socials will generate a high retention video script for your video you can edit if you like. Then press to convert it to a video inside of the Cloud Video Creation Wizard. Everything's customizable, the ability to change out video clips by searching a gigantic video library using a keyword and then selecting the clip you want to use. Add text and subtitles like the gurus do to their videos, or add realistic voiceovers to using the text-to-speech ultra-realistic AI voiceover engine. Plus add background jingle music or video transitions to make something people will really want to watch and share with friends. Then preview the video and schedule the video to social media to post once, or add to a video content stream to perpetually post for you over and over with no rescheduling needed. Now all of this is super impressive, but if you can believe it, we're just scratching the surface with what you can do with AI Socials. Remember, you can also create text content like viral articles for Medium, or to link to in your social posts, or text descriptions like things for YouTube videos. Make tons of viral quotes with the Quotes Maker and lots of viral memes for social media as well with the Memes Maker. You can even generate reports for clients proving how much content you've made for them and how much traffic it's generating, so you can keep getting paid per month if you're using AI Socials to run an agency. And I think you can agree that there's never been a marketing app quite this powerful and useful to grow any business today. In fact, AI Socials is probably the closest thing you ever see to a real-life push-button traffic solution that sends traffic, leads, and sales with little to no work needed. Everything's here, not just to create mass amounts of really engaging social content, but to run your own AI social media marketing agency business from the ground up with the agency technology.